we will work on this side of our dashboard. So we occupied the two columns from here. Let me show you real quick. So in my dashboard.php file, you can see we have two columns on larger screen for our left side area. Now right after this left area here, I will add another div with the bootstrap class of call lg-10. So this one will be our right side area. So starting this one with the h1 tag. So I will have this top posts like this. So then we will have our table by which we will show the latest 5 posts on this page. So I will have our table tag which have bootstrap class of table dash stripped and table dash hover. Then we will have our t head that will have class of t head dash dark. Then we will have our tr which will have couple of th. So first one will be for number, second one will be for title of our post, then we will have date and time, then author, then comments associated with that post, and then we will have our details. Then after that we will fetch our 5 posts. So here I will add PHP scope. So our query will be select all the columns. So right here, first of all, bringing my database connection. So select all the columns from my table of posts and order by ID DESC, and for showing only 5 posts add the limit. So limit will be 0, 5 for showing 5 posts. Then on the next line I will have this variable stmt that will use our database connection and call the method of query, passing MySQL here, and then we will have our while loop. That will use our stmt object and call the method of fetch. Now here we will have couple of variables. So post ID that will fetch our column of ID, then we will have our date time that will fetch our column of date time, author and title. So then after that we will have our table body. So I'm fetching just 1, 2, 3, 4 columns from this post table. I'm not fetching category, image or the posts. So the table data will have a tr tag that will have couple of td, So the first one will be for serial number. So right here I will have variable of srno that will be equal to 0, and then inside I will increment in it. So echoing my SR here, and then we will have our title, date, time, author. After author you can see we have comments. So for the comments, for now I will add 2 badges here. So class will be badge and badge dash success. Let's add one more badge here. That will be badge of danger. So for now let's add 0 0, also 0 0 here. And at last we will have our span with the bootstrap class of btn dash info, and for the text I will have preview here. So for iterating every single one, I have to cut this ending of while loop from here and put it right after our body tag in a PHP scope, but before table tag. So if I save this one and refresh my page, see we have this table. So I'm showing just only 5 posts here, the latest 5 posts. If you want to create your own algorithm that can fetch your post according to the number of comments on them, so you can declare those posts as a top post which have the highest number of comments. But I will not go into that deeper details. I will fetch only 5 posts, the latest one here. So you can see I have this comment section in which I'm just showing these 2 badges. So in the next movie, I will add a PHP to this section of comments, this column of comments, so that we can fetch number of comments which are unapproved according to this post of testing, and number of comments which are approved in a green badge according to this post.